Okay, saya minta maaf lah sebab the video just now has already end because it's already come to 15 minutes. Okay, I'm really sorry. So now we come to the third part, which is to solve this this one problem. So the one that you need to find is the annual payment, which is the C, which is this one, total payment. Okay, so how are you gonna do this one? Okay, so the first one, we have the beginning balance, because this one will become the beginning balance because we don't have any value. We only have this one, so this one will be the beginning value. So this one is the interest rate, and then this one is the time period. That's all the information that we have. So inside here, you just put the information on the beginning balance and the time period that we have, and then the total payment is the one that you need to find. What is it? Okay, so how are you gonna find this figure? So you need to use the present value of annuity formula. Okay, because inside here, as I said, if the only principal amount is given, so you need to calculate interest or coupon using present value of annuity formula. So you need to use the formula in order to find what is C, or what is the interest rate. Okay, so how are you going to find this interest rate or principal paid, okay, or total payment? Okay, so you're gonna need okay, let's inside here, interest paid, we can find the interest paid. Okay, because interest paid inside here, okay, it is 8% interest rate. So you will find what is the interest paid here, 400. How are you going to find that? 5,000 times 8% here, so you will get 400 here. So how are you going to get the principal paid, the C, the principal paid? Okay, so you need the total payment. Okay, so let's find the total payments, the C amount, so that it will be easier for us to find what is the principal paid. So you need the formula for present value of annuity. So you go to the formula of present value of annuity. Okay, take the formula, which is the present value annuity. Okay, take this formula, okay, put it inside the one that we need to solve. Okay, this one. Okay, alright, just put it here, put it there. Okay, so this is the formula for present value of annuity. Okay, so you need to find what is the C here, because the annual payment, this one will be the annual payment. Okay, okay, so C is the one that we want to find. The present value, we know it is 5,000. Okay, so the present, the C, we want to find it. So just copy here. Okay, this one, put it here. Alright, so the I, we know the I is 8%, 0.08. The time period, we know it is 4. Okay, it is 4 year. Okay, and then the interest rate here, we just change this information. Okay, the I, just plug in 0.08. Okay, so how are you going to find the C? Okay, C will become, so just solve inside here and then bring this one here. Okay, so 1.08 the power, 1.08 the power of 4, so you will get 1.36. Okay, 1.36, and then 1 divide by this figure, 1 divide by that figure, you will get 0.735. This one, you solve inside here, and then 1 minus that figure, so you will get 0.265. Okay, this figure, and then all this figure will divide by 0.08, so you will get 3.31, and then bring this figure to here. It will be, this one is times, so it will be divide. 5,000, you will divide by those figure, you will get 1509.6. So that's how you get this figure, 1509.6. So how are you going to get this figure? Because this is fixed, this is the C. So it will be easier for you instead of you finding the principal paid, because we can find the principal paid by taking total payment minus the interest paid. You will get how much is the principal paid. Okay, so you will find the total payment using the present value of annuity formula. If let's say you are given only one amount, you are given only the beginning balance. Okay, so you need to use this one, okay, this formula, in order to find what is the C. Alright, so what is the C? The C will be 1509.6. 9.60. Okay. So how are you going to find that? Okay, because we know that interest rate is 8%, you just plug in all the information that we have. The time period is 4, and then just plug in all the information, solve the problem here, solve inside here, and then bring it to here. 5,000 divided by this figure, you will get 1509.60. So that will be the total payment. Okay. So how are you going to get the principal paid? Just take the total payment minus the interest paid. Why? Because the principal plus the interest, you will get the total payment. Okay. So you just solve how to get the principal paid, total payment minus the interest paid. So you will get in principal paid. Okay. 1509.60 minus 400. So you will get 1109.60. So how are you going to get ending balance? The beginning balance minus the principal paid. Beginning balance 5,000 minus the principal paid, you will get the ending balance. 3890.40, you will bring it to the beginning balance for the second year. Okay, so 3890.40 times with the interest paid 311.23. Why is it 311.23? 3890.40 times with 8%. The interest rate is 8%. So time with 8%, so you will get 311.23. So how are you going to get the principal paid here? Just take the total payment because it is C. The annual payment is 1509.60 minus with the interest paid, you will get principal paid 1198.37. So how are you going to get the ending balance? The beginning balance here minus the principal paid, you will get the ending balance 2692.03. 2692.03, you will bring it as a beginning balance for next year, for the third year. And then the total payment will be the same. You have already find just now. Okay, so how are you going to find the principal paid? Okay, the total payment minus the principal paid, you minus the interest paid, you will get the principal paid. How you will get the interest paid here? 215.36, 2692.03, you times with 8%, you will get 215.36. Okay, so you minus total payment with the interest paid, you will get principal paid. Okay, so how are you going to get ending balance? The beginning balance minus the principal paid, so you will get the ending balance. So ending balance here will become the beginning balance for next year. So beginning balance here times with 8%, so you will get interest paid. So total payment is just the same. Total payment minus the interest paid, you will get how much is the principal paid. So how are you going to get the ending balance? So beginning balance minus the principal balance, you will get the ending balance. So this actually will become 0 since because of the decimal point. So that's why it become like this. Okay, so that's why here, if you see here, it says that the note here, the ending balance is 0.01, which is 1 cent. $1, 1 cent is due to rounding. Because you round your decimal point, you round your answer, so that's why it become 0.01. Actually, it should become 0. Because at last you should finish all your loan amount that you paid. So the total payment that you paid, when you plus all of them, actually you have already paid $6,038.40. And then the interest that you actually paid to the bank is actually 1,038.41. When you plus this interest paid plus the principal paid, actually it will gives you the total amount of the total payment that you paid for your loan. Even though you take only 5,000, even though your beginning balance of your total loan is actually 5,000, but at last you need to pay 6,038.40. So you know the extra is actually from your interest. Okay, so I guess that's all for this chapter. So if you still have any question regarding the chapter, which part that you don't understand, then please do let me know. Okay, alright, you can WhatsApp me personally. You can ask me any question that you don't understand. Don't worry, I will give you a lot of questions for you to do so that it will enhance your understanding on this particular chapter. Okay, alright, see you again in the next class. Alright, bye.